everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. Today we will discuss the essential strategies to safeguard yourself from social engineering attacks. Social engineering is a manipulative technique used by cyber criminals to exploit human psychology and trick individuals into divulging sensitive information or taking harmful actions. By understanding the various methods used in social engineering and implementing necessary precautions, you can enhance your online security and protect yourself from potential threats. In today's interconnected world, our personal information is constantly at risk from cyber criminals. By understanding the techniques utilized in social engineering and implementing effective protection strategies, you can minimize the chances of falling victim to these malicious schemes. Let's explore the world of social engineering and learn how to safeguard ourselves. So in this video, we will see what is social engineering, common social engineering techniques, recognizing warming signs, effective protection strategies, and importance of cybersecurity hygiene. So let's start with social engineering. Social engineering, this method heavily relies on exploiting human psychology to manipulate individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that aid the cyber criminal's agenda. Understanding the tactics employed by these attackers is crucial to defending ourselves. Now we will see some common social engineering techniques. Common social engineering techniques include phishing attacks, retexting, baiting, tailgating, and impersonation. So to protect ourselves from social engineering attack, the first step is to recognize warning signs. Recognizing the warning signs is crucial in identifying potential social engineering attacks. Some common indicators include urgency. Attackers create a sense of urgency, pressuring individuals to respond quickly without taking time to verify the source. Requests for sensitive information. Be cautious when someone asks you to share personal information or financial details over email, phone calls, or suspicious websites. Poor grammar and spelling. Many phishing attempts contain spelling mistake or grammatical errors. Unusual sender or URL. Scrutinize the sender's email address or website URL to detect any misspellings. Unauthorized access request. Be cautious of unsolicited requests from remote access to your computer or accounts. To protect yourself from social engineering attacks, consider implementing the following strategies. Education and awareness. Stay updated on the latest social engineering tactics and share this knowledge with friends and family. Verify sources. Always validate the authenticity of emails, messages, or requests before responding or sharing any information. Strong passwords. Use unique and strong password for all online accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Security software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and prevent phishing attempts and malicious software. Be cautious. Exercise caution while clicking on links, downloading files, or opening attachments, especially if they are unexpected or from unknown source. So let us see what is the importance of cybersecurity hygiene. Maintaining proper cybersecurity hygiene is essential in defending against social engineering attacks. Remember these important tips. Regularly update software. Keep your operating system, applications, and security software up to date to patch any vulnerabilities. Backup data. Regularly backup your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage, ensuring you have a copy in case of unauthorized access or data loss. Use firewalls. Enable firewalls on your devices to protect an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access. Trust your instincts. If someone seems suspicious or too good to be true, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. By understanding social engineering techniques, recognizing warning signs, and implementing effective protection strategies, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to social engineering attacks. Remember, cybercriminals constantly evolve their methods, so it's crucial to stay informed and proactive. Safeguard your valuable personal information, be vigilant, and together we can protect ourselves from social engineering attack. So thank you for watching our video on protecting yourself from social engineering attack. We hope you find this guide informative and empowering. Stay vigilant, stay protected. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to help spread awareness about social engineering and protect others from falling victim to the malicious tactics. Stay safe, stay happy.